What's up, y'all? So, thank you for tuning in. I would like to basically thank all my new subscribers for tuning into the channel. For this week, we'll be going over some futures and forex pairs as usual. If you have any recommendations of any pairs you would like to see me go over, or any instruments, as other people like to say, please comment down below, and I'll go ahead and get those done and ready for you as well for the new week as well. Possibly might even throw it in midweek if somebody posts this early or Friday. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, if you feel obliged, please share. Thank you. Let's get to it. So for here now, we have NASDAQ on the 4-hour. So for here, I'm only basically seeing two things happening for NAS. So I'm looking for it to either jump down and tap into this 25,150 area before heading higher and hitting this high level of resistance, or I would like to see it basically break, retest that area of 25,150-ish, and then heading lower down towards 24.9. That's basically it. Again, I like to keep these videos short and sweet so you kind of get the nuggets and you can basically be on your way. All right. Gold up next. So with gold, it's been on a huge landslide. So basically and I called this out the other day with my students in the chat. So this coming all the way down, right? So this can only basically tell me that it's either looking for a bigger slingshot towards the upside, or it's actually trying to like consolidate very, very soon. So if it wants to go ahead and go up, I would like to see it basically come up from here and then continue going higher, or it coming down to here and then going up. I don't see it breaking past this level. I honestly don't. I don't see it breaking past this 4,300. I really, really, really don't. If it's gonna end up coming up, it might do something like this. Like it might do something like this, and then like this, and maybe even come down like this. You know, maybe do something like it might take a while. It might take a while. And then, before heading up, it might take a while. But the whole point is that when it does these kind of movements, you want to just basically be able to catch whatever you can catch. Don't be greedy. Don't be selfish, and just basically react to what the market is showing you. Don't try to predict it. Don't try to like just, gun ho it for home runs. Take what the market can give you, be okay with it, and then just get out, especially if you're doing challenges. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's ways to get past those. Like, I've been funded several times. My students been funded several times. So, just go with the flow. Okay. Be reactionary. Do not be predictive. Okay. So let's continue. So now those are the main ones that I always get asked for. If you guys want me to go over anything else, please let me know. Again, I say that. So I'll go over the pairs that basically have always been asked of me and requested. So with this, we have AJ. All right. So this is Forex. So with Forex, again, I'm just keep it real quick and simple because mainly people like to see futures. But Forex, I like to see it come down to this area and then continue higher towards this high. Okay. So we can definitely see either a continuation or a break, bounce, and then continuation towards the downside. That's it. That's basically it. For Euro Yen, it's a bit choppy at the moment, but it's like it's kind of evident to where it kind of wants to flow. It wants to actually, like, I see like it wants to come down before heading higher. That's basically what I see. That's it. If it's gonna break this area, I want to see like a good significant break, a retest, and a continuation towards the downside. That's basically it. Another pair that I see that's pretty clean. It's either GA is gonna pound Aussie, excuse me, is gonna actually pound yen is next. That's what I'm looking at. Pound Aussie basically is either gonna be coming up this level or this level to then continue lower. But if it does end up breaking this high, I would like to see it retest this area or this area before I should continue higher towards the basically $2 mark. So that's basically it. For the yen, GA, right, as they call it, the beast. I see it like it's trying to like head. I see like it's trying to chug up. Like, so it made some good support here. What I would like to see of this pair is basically it breaking up, coming down, retesting, and continuing. Like, we do get that here, but it's the start of the week. I like to give the market a few days to like, not a few days, but a few hours to breathe, a few sessions to breathe. So let's see if it comes up, comes down, boom, and it continues going up. If it does break, again, I like to see this break, retest, and then possibly even like come down even to this area here. Okay. So keep that in mind. And oh, and that concludes our video. Again, I wanted to make this, you know, short, sweet, but to the point to where I can give you guys and gals like just, you know, things to trade off of. Okay, so do not feel like you can't ask me questions or anything like that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Hey, now, you know, can you go over any entries with NQ or gold or any instrument, anything? Like I cover every single market. It's just a lot to cover. I cover Forex, I cover futures, I cover stocks, I cover crypto, I don't do options. I know of options, but I don't deal with the whole options thing. But I know of options. Um I've been doing this for a decade. So like this is something that just it just comes natural to me. But if you want to see more on the chart aspect of just different things, like just feel free to type them in the comments, and that's basically why I'm here. But yeah, I know a lot of people trade NAS. So let me see what I can see here so far. So for NAS, is still going down. So like it's either gonna like continue to keep going down like this and then continue going lower. Or if it's gonna end up like popping back up, I would like to see it like at first do something like this to then continue to then like test these areas here and then possibly like, you know, continue going upward. That's basically like all I'm saying. So this is like an early indication to where you can possibly you know, gain a an entry here of some sort, and then actually continue this going towards the upside to where you can get like a good risk to reward. So again, do not be greedy. Trust your analysis. Trust your plan. Okay. So one thing you want to do every single week is you want to make sure that you're following your plan and giving yourself that reward. The risk would be you breaking your plan and then losing your capital. The reward would be you following your plan and then gaining capital. That's the whole point of this whole skill set, to preserve your capital, protect your capital. Yes, you are a trader, but above all, you are a risk manager. Remember that. So with that being said, everyone, thank you. Have a great one. Have a blessed one at that. Have a great profitable week and have a great productive week as well. Peace. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, again, leave any comments or any questions, concerns, anything down below. And I'll see y'all well, most likely next week if I don't get any suggestions. Peace.